Hello and welcome. I'm Jack, and today we are with Erik, who is going to demonstrate some of the OpenAI parameter tricks in OA Robot.
This first example that we're going to do is regex. And then we're also going to do a second example that is for pulling fake data. And we're going to do that using a Python command that's also accessing OpenAI for a parameter value.
Amazing.
So in this, we have just some kind of random data that we're going to be playing around with regex extract. Regex extract is a great function in Excel where you can pass a parameter and then give it some regex, and it'll use that regex to pull data out of the text. So this example here is basically extracting dates that are in the format month, day, year with either 2-digit years or 4-digit years. And as you can see, if you wanted to write something like that, it's like, it's not going to happen.
Yeah.
But oftentimes I'll go in plot or whatever and say, give me some regex for that. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to delete this cell, even though you can see how complicated that is. And instead, we're going to run a robot command to create that. So what we're going to do is we're going to run the ask regex extract all command, which is going to ask us for what we want to extract. And it says enter a description of what you want to extract. And I'm going to say dates with dates in month, day, year, or month, day, year format, and we'll give it a chance to figure out what the
There we go.
regex is for that, and it did it. And we can do the same thing with whatever sort of command we want to run, where we can say the numbers or characters between friends. And boom, there it is. That's a good example of something that we would do in real life. And because this is also doing a regex, you can do things like split things, or I like this one. This one's kind of cool. Ask for IP addresses. Like that's pretty cool that it can do that with that little of typing.
Yeah.
All right. So the next thing I was going to show is faking data. So this example is using a Python command using OpenAI parameter in order to generate Python. So let's look at this really quick. If I do fake, ask for fake data, how many records? Let's say 23 records, and fake data representing what? Let's do pet store sales. Right. So this is calling out to OpenAI in order to generate Python that's using the Faker package, which is a Python package.
Oh,
And boom, there it is. It created all of this really nice data, which we can then use robot commands to auto fit, apply some formatting to it, counting with 2 decimal places. You get the idea. So that's a great way to create fake data. So that's OpenAI parameters. What do you think, Jack?
I absolutely know. I'm very upset I don't have an API key to be playing with this right now, because I would definitely about 5 times today have generated fake data for a start. That is
Yeah.
incredibly useful.